What's up, my good people? How are you and welcome to ICO Reviews. And today I present you Xmaterials. This is a whole ICO that focuses on the future of construction. Before I continue, please do not forget anything I said in this review video is strictly of my own personal opinion. Do your own diligence and make your own decision. And I'm going to tell you more about this ICO and what is my opinion about Xmaterial ICO. Do not go anywhere and let's check it out together. I must say I love the websites, professional and beautiful, and now as I said, they focus on the future of new material, the future where concrete building materials will be much accessible and much better for us. But let me do this. Let me go straight down to the team member. Let's see people behind this. Now, Svetlin Zavov is the CEO. Now, we have the communication advisor, Mikhail Kamburov. I'm going to show you more about this guy very soon. Orbasiwat Totev, you can see them one after another. These are the guys behind this. Now, one thing you want to know is this team members, are they real? Are they real people? Is he a scam ICO? Is all this picture of Photoshop or just someone picture there? Now I have a video to show you and you will see Mikhail Kamburov. That will let you know that this ICO is real. So let's watch. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen.
Hi, my name is Mikhail Kamburov, Director of Communications for Xmaterials, and my job is to show you how this and this will change the world. Think about concrete. It exists all around us, in buildings, on roads, holding this world together. The market for concrete is $300 billion every year, but despite how important it is, concrete has barely changed in the past 150 years. With Xmaterials, we have a better way. And not just for concrete, for granite, marble, and even ceramics. Our team of elite engineers has managed to create a new material that is superior to concrete, granite, marble, and even ceramics in almost every way. It's stronger, more affordable, and more efficient. And it's eco-friendly. It's 100% recyclable. And most important, we want to share it with the world. Welcome to the Xmaterials factory. This is where the magic happens. But it's not magic, it's just really good science. It's divided in three parts: Digilab, Hypercon, and the Xmaterials blueprint. Let me guide you through the process. These two computers are where it all starts. Right now on one of them is running the Digilab software, which calculates the recipes for the automated productions of Xmaterials. Mr. Totev is one of the masterminds behind Digilab, Hypercon, and Xmaterials. Todd, could you please give us a bit more insights how this works?
Yes, of course. The Digilab uses artificial intelligence, aggregates 15 building materials, and that's how it creates the best possible recipe for the best possible materials.
Behind me is the mixer. This is where Hypercon runs the show. It works completely automated out of machine learning. It controls all the parameters needed for the desired result, like weight, mixing speed, water content, and time. Notice how it functions without any human interaction. Let's check out the end product. This is what the finished product looks like. We can control it to any shape using our modes. We can create it in a variety of colors and patterns, but always, compared to its competitors, it's eco-friendly, more affordable, efficient, and stronger. Let's take a look at how strong. Let's see how Xmaterials stack up against regular concrete.
Here we're testing the compression strength of standard test blocks.
The one on the left is regular concrete, the one on the right, one of the Xmaterials products. Both samples do not include any metal reinforcements. As you can see, Xmaterials has significantly higher compression strength.
Yes, that's how much longer it can last. It's just structurally different and more intentionally put together. That's why it can last much more over longer periods of time. Plus, it can be made out of waste materials. We have a strong commitment to being sustainable and eco-friendly. That's why we make our products.
So I think you've been able to see more of what it's all about. And if I'm to ask you, is the team members real? I will tell you they are real. These are real people behind this project. And you can see different designs of how it's going to look like. This is beautiful. This is awesome. You know, this is awesome. Extremely beautiful. Extremely beautiful. Yeah. So let's check the white paper. White paper is 59-page white paper, beautifully well put together. And as I always do, as it's been my custom, I've checked to confirm the white paper, and I can tell you that the white paper is unique. It's not copy and paste. Not copy and paste. Now the wood is registered from GoDaddy. The 2018 May 2018 was registered, and 2019 next year is going to expire. Now, what is my total view about this project? I want you to know about. I believe this project is real. Is real. They are getting involved in building materials, and of course, you know, building materials. The building itself is going huge every now and then. It's going huge. We need more buildings. In many countries, population is skyrocketing, and people are leaving old houses and they are turning to new designs, new houses, and we will continue to need new materials either for building or for maintenance purpose. And I believe they have a solution to a particular problem. Now, I will leave the website down below, and I will encourage you to sign up for this ICO. But do not forget, this is strictly my personal opinion. I am not your financial advisor. Thank you one and all for watching my videos. Thank you all for watching Xmaterials Ico reviews. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and hit the notification bell so that when I bring more videos, you'll be among the first to watch my video. I love you guys. And until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.